We're gonna pop it.
Starting to rain.
Ew. What?
Well, it's...
I know it's moldy.
No, it's like... I need a stick. I'm not strong enough.
I'll go get one.
Carla, will you get a toothpick?
Or a stick or something.
Oh! I don't think there's a baby. I think it's a rotten egg. Honestly.
Look.
But there's no fur or...
I've never seen...
I know, but that's what happens when it rots.
Oh, I can feel a leg, though.
Oh, no. Are you serious?
What? She can feel a leg.
Hand me the toothpick.
Yuck.
There was one!
There's a chick.
I don't think it's still alive, but there is
honey,
one.
it wouldn't be alive.
I see fur.
Oh, gross.
There is.
Are you sure?
Yes. Look at that.
You see it.
It's the whole foot and the head and the eye and everything. And the yolk. Oh, it did.
Aww. Grandma.
That wasn't gonna happen.
It's not
Grandma's fault.
It was our fault.